Yange nya ka yange yembele hitatif tishatachi mba yembe shinshima shachu te wasi to wasi bia tif ochiviri Professor James Otesi yozwa ayatse ngwembe yange miana mashaviri ne ondo yo to wasi ngwembe anyume kunde tagbe ma tif television ve ko homyongo ve pama ono tif wa she hure yove ke jogen ngwembe to wasi to hi boko hi dueto hi chombo taetive kaza bene kane maondo yo te wasito yona anap kane mashun akaye.
I was the last born of my mother who, after delivering many children, stopped giving birth and thought that was all over. Almost 10 years after that, she got pregnant and thought she was carrying a sickness. It was at the Christian Hospital they told him, no, it's not sickness, you are carrying a child. And that was me. So I was her last born. God kept her. I became a professor before she died in 1997. She died in her 90s. My father died when I was less than 4 years. That's Yozua Yatse. In a polygamous family, everybody believed I won't go to school. So how do I go to school without a father and an illiterate mother? And he had 7 wives. Each of them had their own children. So it was a miracle that from that background, I grew up. I went to school, primary school, secondary school, higher school, university, and I got a degree non-stop, from primary to university non-stop. I have nothing I can say. I have become something because of who I am. It's just the grace of God. God has given me a wife, the mother of the Team Nation. So she's my wife, she's my friend, she's my sister, she's my mother, she's everything. And she is a professor. Again, it's God's mercy. All the years we have spent together, 40 how many years? Is the mother of our children. And she has given me, again divinely, children that are seated there. So she has given me a lawyer. She has given me 2 medical consultants. She has given me an accountant. She has also given me an architect. And all these children, including my wife, have not been headache to me in any way. Yes, so this is the testimony.
Akpama wono tiv ayanyugune momkeyo lu gomno Benue State okejime pambwa Senator Gabriel to Wasuswam awa wono tiv kwa akaye
do job iti do se chile to wase ka chile to wase la on na se chile ngwa ba ya gele ka sha humbe because why can I give water to teach our humbe unenge pili kwa hiyo amba of Tasha for Onunaga. Simba disrespected Kai Urese. Oh, yeah, I'm going to achieve in line now. Or two channels that I want to call after I need nothing, but says he need a guy. Now, I was actually a guy who had doing a lot of injustice to Tiv as a nation.
Who Olubra was say, what you hemen talo e doma chi. His Royal Majesty Ochi Doma Agabaidu John Odogbo Elaigo Wenpa Analoho Kwashishun Akae.
I want you to know that when you are fighting Totin, you are fighting Ochido. That is the truth. And you know why? Totin is the last born of her mother. I am the last born of my mother. Totin finished the university, he got employed immediately. I finished my university, a month later I got employed. Do you see what God is doing? Totin married a single wife, I have a single wife.
Ngowasu Tishatachi, Her Royal Majesty Professor Felicia Hembadon Ayate Wenpa Hanam Kane Mashun Akana Haye.
Why quarrel or children? I guess she's showing it. Check out here. Why quarrel? So, come on, my own. I do you what? I do small. I get out. Oh, actually, oh, good. Get a half of one so I pay citation batchy, which is a 8 do bound. I pay all of His Majesty. He did this, he did this, he accomplished that. All the accomplishments are being possible because Christ has been on the throne. And Christ is good. The Lord is good.
Kabe Lohondo, Kwashi Lohe Dido Ingo Hoyo, Inyongi Wanzo Ama, Idondo, Kwa Yuamba Ngoho, Vidondo, Naha, Yoma, Elinema, Hembeve, Brawasi. Zanza Yangi Ben Shachu Tip Television ya Kamuwa Wen Tefa Wandaka